In this video, we are cutting through the noise to explain exactly what is driving today's market behavior. We will break down what is really happening behind the headlines, the harsh market reality for speculative assets, and the structural reality creating this volatility. More importantly, I will give you your exact execution plan for the next 72 hours, clear signals for when to re-enter the market, and the ultimate conclusion on how to protect your capital right now.
Let's look at the market behavior explained. What is really happening? Right now, the market is taking a direct hit from fresh tension in the Middle East. Over the last 72 hours, threats around the Strait of Hormuz have pushed Brent crude prices up to the $83 to $85 per barrel range. The underlying cause? Higher oil prices feed straight into inflation. And when inflation stays sticky, central banks keep interest rates higher for longer. The real-world impact? Borrowing gets expensive. This pulls money out of assets that rely on cheap capital and future growth, like tech stocks and cryptocurrencies. We see it right now: rising stablecoin balances, dropping crypto funding rates, and higher short-term government bond yields. The hidden trap? It is tempting to assume this is just a temporary headline, but until shipping routes are secure, this inflation risk will likely keep a hard lid on any market rally.
Let's move on to the market reality. Now look at the broader picture. While energy prices push up, global factory output is slowing down. Recent manufacturing reports show activity dropping below the 50-point mark. To clear out unsold goods, major exporting countries are slashing prices. How this plays out in the market? Weak demand means less need for industrial materials like copper. In the crypto space, highly volatile altcoins and cyclical assets are bleeding. The gap between Bitcoin and smaller tokens is widening. Trading spreads are getting wider, making it costlier to trade mid-cap tokens. Your positioning shift: stop trying to buy the dip in speculative assets. Historically, Bitcoin has held up better than many speculative altcoins during broad risk-off periods, making it a more resilient anchor right now. If you trade traditional markets, lean into defensive sectors rather than tech. The core takeaway: when global factory demand is genuinely contracting, dropping assets are not on sale. They are repricing to a lower reality.
This brings us to the structural reality. These first two factors create a tug-of-war. Energy is pushing prices up, but weak global trade is pulling them down. This mismatch creates heavy volatility. The chain reaction. Watch what happens next. When volatility rises, many institutional risk models automatically reduce exposure. They rotate money out of long-term, high-risk bets and into short-term cash. At the same time, retail traders using heavy leverage are getting liquidated in mechanical cascades. We see this in the recent net outflows from major crypto ETFs. The risk of doing nothing. If you stay fully invested in highly volatile assets, hoping for a quick bounce, you risk getting caught in this institutional de-risking. The market is actively draining liquidity from these corners. Your immediate action? Build your cash buffer now. Prepare limit buy orders at major support levels for your highest conviction assets. Let the leverage flush happen. Be ready to buy the fear when the mechanical selling stops, not before. Now, let's talk about your exact execution plan. For the next 24 to 72 hours, follow these steps to protect your portfolio. Trim risk. Reduce exposure to highly volatile altcoins and cyclical proxies by 20 to 30%. Protect the core. Maintain your core Bitcoin or Ethereum positions, but tighten stop-loss orders on any deployed leverage. Build dry powder. Increase your stablecoin or cash buffers. This prepares you for opportunistic entries later. Hedge wisely. Consider tactical energy or commodity hedges if your portfolio allows it. The final rule: do not deploy leverage to buy the dip. The current macro environment is actively hostile to long-term, high-risk assets. So, when do you re-enter? Patience is your best edge right now. You need concrete proof that the danger has passed before committing fresh capital. The all-clear signal? This will only come when we see three things: verified, multi-day de-escalation in the Strait of Hormuz, Brent crude dropping back below $78 a barrel, and global manufacturing reports moving back above the 50-point growth mark. Waiting matters. Waiting for confirmation may feel slower, but it carries far less risk than trying to predict the exact bottom. Until those signals align, stay defensive. Which brings us to the ultimate conclusion. Ultimately, the clash between rising energy costs and shrinking global demand is forcing institutions to hoard cash and drain liquidity from risk assets. So protect your capital first and chase returns second. If this breakdown gave you clarity, hit that like button, share it with a fellow trader who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more institutional-grade market intelligence. And when you are ready to take this seriously, join the Specialist Desk. Axiom Intelligence Specialist Desk. High-conviction crypto intelligence. Vetted institutional execution protocols. Normally $62.49, now $49.99 a month. Save 20%. It includes a 3-day trial on $5 only. Start your trial at the link in the description.